Live, very special, unique, right behind A1 Tornado, class 60, 163, Blue Railway Line, it's Dean Gala. Author's Weather, UK 25 lights video. This time's at the right side of the screen right this minute. Time to make in digital at the moment, it's approximately, well, you name it guys, 17 minutes to 1400p on the RT, 1400p on the RT digital, and about 17 minutes to 2p on the RT, and it is October the 18th. Saturday afternoon guys, it's for Wednesday 5. Now arriving at Horsham Kings train station. Try a place to go, but just subscribe to my channel, Signage You, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Signage Albums on YouTube. A special ride behind A1 Tornado into Horsham Kings train station right now. This is my friend Sparky and Jet and Bay for Friday, 3 to 5 10, I said Friday, so he'll base shape Friday. Always record a show, one to the last show. Wow, go Tornado, go Tornado. And this is my friend John, the last show for Sunday, at 9 to 12 live on the Waken Show, last show for Sunday. 9 to 12, this is Splash on St. Gibbons. And now arriving at Horsham Kings train station. People are going to get on the train, so I'm going to have to let them on the train in a minute or two. Indeed we are. There we go. Please subscribe to St. Gibbons. Now we have. Thumbs up the right side. And I arrived at Horsham Kings train station. I think I need to get on the train. Please subscribe to St. Gibbons. Thumbs up the right side of the screen. So now we have it.